Okay guys, so in today's video I want to show you guys kind of like an experiment I do here for the very first time. So we've got some strawberry plants that I actually purchased on Amazon, and I want to do that because strawberry plants take about a year or so before they start producing fruit. So these were guaranteed to be mature, and they certainly were. I had berries within the first 2 weeks starting to grow, so that was really cool. But I noticed that these little shoots are coming off here, and they're called runners, and I didn't really know what those were until I did some research, and I found out that these are actually baby strawberry plants that can be planted. So I'm going to find runners that have the root nodules on it, like this guy, and I'm going to transplant those into my hydroponic system in the basement, and hopefully we'll get a few new plants. So I'm going to do that today, and then I'll record a video here, in the future, showing you guys the plant growth and the root growth and seeing if I was successful or if they didn't make it. Thanks. Okay guys, this is the first time I've done this, so kind of trying to figure this out as I go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little net pot cups and just one piece of foam. And I definitely know that we want to cut off the excess runner. And the most important part is the little root nodules need to get the nutrition on the water. So I'm going to split one of these foams open like I normally do and try to figure out the best way to wrap it without damaging the leaves. Wonder if I can just place it right in the cup. I'm thinking some of these leaves are going to be inside the cup, unfortunately away from the direct light, which will probably be fine. I'm thinking I might not even need to use the foam. We'll see if this works. Just got to make sure these guys get in the liquid, and then the roots will grow from there. So this, like I said, this is an experiment. We'll see if that works. Okay guys, so I think I actually got these pretty good without using the foam. So here's an example. The little root bulb is just kind of sitting beneath the cup itself, and it's trying to get to focus here. It's definitely in the hydroponic nutrient solution. So I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 potential new strawberry plants from the 4 strawberry plants that I bought. Now one thing I wanted to mention is that this one runner actually already has strawberry flowers on it. Actually, I think I have 2 of them that have flowers. So various people online have said different things. Some people have said that there's no way they're going to survive. Some people have said they can. Most of the people that said they couldn't survive just due to the size of the plant, I think we're doing soil growing. So I'm hoping that because I'm literally growing them in basically hydroponic fertilizer, I'm hoping that that gives the plant enough energy to actually start producing strawberries, which would be really wild. So I will update you guys here in a couple weeks and let you know if these plants made it, if they grew roots, or if it just didn't work at all. Alright, so here we are, I don't know, about a month or 2 later. I wanted to show everyone the progress that these runners made. So as you can see here, we've got our first red berry on that plant, and then these guys here are also producing berries, and actually I think just about all of them are. Yep, we got some little berries starting there. So just again as a reminder, these runners, came off of plants that were probably already about a year or so old. And what I've been reading online is it's actually very unusual to get a breed of strawberries where you can get a runner that develops a plant quickly and starts producing strawberries without going through that whole cycle. So I guess I got lucky with this type of strawberry plant. I wish I knew genetically, which breed it was. I do not though, but the good news is I've actually pulled a couple more runners off since making the original video, and my plants upstairs now have at least 1 or 2 more ready to go. So my next video, I'm going to actually have these transplanted into a new all strawberry system that I'm going to be building. They grow fine with the lettuce, As you can see, the lettuce is pretty good here, except for the stuff in the back is a little wilted because my nutrient solution got low. But I want to move them into a dedicated environment where I can actually add a little bit more potassium, because potassium increasing for what I read online helps the berries to be a little sweeter and bigger. And I don't want to add all that potassium into my my lettuce plants. So yeah, guys, the little experiment here with the runners worked fantastically, and I've probably pulled, I don't know, 50 to 100 berries off upstairs, probably got 15 down here, and hopefully I'm just going to continue to split these plants, and maybe by the end of the year have 30 or 40 plants that are just producing strawberries for us year round. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks. All right, so that's all we got for today. Hey, appreciate you guys hanging out with me for these last few minutes, taking a look at this most recent content. Listen, if this is something you guys enjoy seeing, content like this or other types of content like I have on my channel, I really appreciate the support by giving likes, subscribes, and comments to this channel. I want to try to keep this content coming. I want to try to keep it professional. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I've really put a lot of work into the quality and the professionalism of the channel. So if you guys appreciate that, you appreciate the information you see here, then I'd appreciate you giving a like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys next time on Create with Nate. Thanks.